starting at just over $1 a day. And now, get installation starting at just $40.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sheridan County Sheriff's Department in Rushville, Nebraska. The evacuation order, which was issued for southern and western portions of Metcalf State Wildlife Area, west of Beaver Wall Road, will be allowed to expire at noon Mountain Daylight Time. All persons in this area have been evacuated safely. Access to the area continues to be restricted to emergency personnel only.
Place for Mom, the nation's largest senior living